Hello everyone, with this tutorial I would like to show you how to render just some elements of our scene. I have this simple scene with some teapots and a chrome ball and the floor and an area light, and I also have an HDRI as background. So let's say that I want to render only my sphere. What I have to do is to override the shader properties of the shader tree. And the simplest way, if you only have one or few items that you want to render, is just go to the item list, select our item and right click, go to shade and create item shader. Nothing changed yet, but if I now toggle visible to camera, this will disappear, and if I want to do the opposite, I toggle visible to camera on back again, and I go to my shader tree, and to the base shader I toggle off visible to camera. So as you can see, my chrome ball is rendering with all the indirect rays, reflection, etc. Of course, I can also change this if I want. If I want to do the same, but let's say that I have a complex scene with many elements, there is a better way to do this, and now I'm gonna show you. So I check again visible to camera, and I go on the item list, and I remove my custom shader that overrides the main one. And I can do something different. I can create some groups with background and foreground elements. So let's just duplicate our sphere a couple of times, just to have some more element, some more items. Okay. So I go to the group tab, and I select my 3 spheres, and I create a new group from selected items, and I call it foreground. And then I select all the other stuff, and I create a new group which is gonna be background. So you can see, if I expand my groups, I have the spheres inside and the teapots and the plane in the background. So what I have to do now is to assign custom shaders to these groups. So I go to the shader tree, and to override the base shader, I can just create a new group and assign to item foreground, and then I can add a special shader and do the same for the background. So group, item, background, and special shader, and maybe this has more sense. So now I can just turn off the visible to camera check on the background. Still nothing happened because I have the base shader on top that is overriding these two new shaders that I made, but as soon as I toggle off or if I move this below, as you can see, I am now with only my spheres as desired. And actually, in this case, the foreground group is not necessary because the base shader is still making everything visible, and the background is just hiding the background items. So you can do both way, but I think that having two different groups actually is more clever to me. Of course, it depends your preference, so it's the same. Thanks for watching, and hope this was useful. Bye!